Johnny Depp wins defamation case against ex-wife Amber Heard. After several weeks and 3 days of deliberations, the verdict is in, and actress Amber Heard has been found guilty on all 3 counts of the defamation lawsuit filed by ex-husband Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp was seeking $50 million when he slammed Amber Heard with a defamation lawsuit over a 2018 op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post. In the piece, she referred to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse following her split from the actor. Johnny Depp and his legal team argued that while he was not named in Amber's op-ed piece, he allegedly lost lucrative business deals and acting roles, including a long-standing deal with Disney. Amber Heard then countersued Johnny Depp for $100 million standing by abuse allegations. Reading the final verdict, the jury has now awarded Johnny Depp $15 million in damages, which is $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million on punitive damages. The jury's decision was also split as they found out that one of the 3 statements at the center of Amber Heard's lawsuit by one of Johnny Depp's lawyers at the time had been defamatory, so she was also awarded $2 million in compensatory damages. Reacting to the loss, Amber Heard issued a statement writing, and I quote, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously," end of quote. The Aquaman star continued, "I believe Johnny's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case, but I'm sadder still that I seem to have lost the right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly."
Now, reacting to his victory, Johnny Depp wrote, well, 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed. All in the blink of an eye. False, very serious and criminal allegations were leveled at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage and hateful content. Although no charges were ever brought against me, it had already traveled around the world twice within a nanosecond, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, this jury gave me my life back. I'm truly humbled. The Pirates of the Caribbean star went on to write that they only decided to pursue the case after careful thought, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that it would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life. He reiterated the testimony of the delivered earlier in the trial, saying that his goal was always to reveal the truth, regardless of what the jury decided. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that, he said. The actor also added that he is overwhelmed by the support he's received and hopes that his quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in this situation, and that those supporting them never give up. Johnny Depp then thanks the court and its staff for sacrificing their own time to get to this point, and thanked its diligent and unwavering lawyers for doing an extraordinary job in helping him to share the truth. He then concluded by writing, "The best is yet to come and a new chapter has finally begun." Johnny Depp and Amber Heard got married in 2015 and called it quits in their relationship in 2017.
So finally it's over. This is something that everyone has been waiting for. We've all been waiting to hear what the verdict is, and it's finally over. And the question on everyone's lips is, would Amber be able to pay that money? Can she afford it? Because now she's saying she wants to appeal.
It's crazy how I followed this case.
From the start.
Is that crazy that I even turned on my notification on a particular YouTube channel?
So that once
immediately
you get the information,
just stream and start watching. I followed this. Always going on breaks, we'll wait. Then yesterday, it's supposed to be on Friday, the final verdict, but they shifted it again to Monday, Tuesday. Then yesterday, it all happened. And super excited. Johnny Depp was in court that yesterday. It's very crazy. Amber Heard was available. Johnny Depp has been performing with a guitarist that's Jeff Beck in the UK. He's on tour. So immediately after the whole court proceedings, he just decided to go on tour with Jeff Beck. And this whole case was already tilting towards in favor of Johnny Depp. But it's crazy how, you know how life is. A woman is complaining of abuse. Yeah. Everybody tends to believe her. But there were many, and from Johnny Depp's speech, write-up was, it gave the world a view into their dirty life. It was a life filled with drugs, filled with a lot of nasty things. There were video clips, there were audio clips.
That people would never have thought of, right?
Yes, that these people were living a very nasty life. And there are many instances it will be tilting towards Amber Heard.
Then it comes back
herself. There was one that I was watching, and she knows she's an actress. Yeah. She was in her feelings like, I remember one time I was standing on the staircase and my sister was in the middle. I just thought he would push me. And I remember he pushed Kate Moss. Kate Moss used to date Johnny Depp. Immediately the camera panned to Johnny Depp and Johnny Depp was like this. And he just smiled like Kate Moss. Not knowing that was a killer for Amber Heard. Wow. Low-key, they just brought Kate Moss. Oh yeah, come and speak via the internet, via Zoom. Come and speak. Umbo, did Johnny Depp ever push you? And I said, oh, I indeed fell. I missed my step. It was even the one that took care of me. Blah, 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 blah. And camera zoomed to Amber Heard, and it was like, oh, damn, I think we just messed up. We just messed up. Amber Heard, they went as far. Have you been assaulted in your marriage when you were with Johnny Depp in your relationship? She said no. They even called other witnesses that were saying no. And it was just a whole lot of crazy revelations from this. And yeah, finally, it's a wrap.
Yes,
it's
a
wrap.
Yeah, I'm so glad that it's a wrap finally, because it was a very trying times for all of us, because of course we're like following our
picking sides.
Do you understand? So my own is that I like that the narrative changed.
Yes.
Not that it's changing based on not the truth. It's the truth, right? So I like that. Yeah, I'm a female and one will, but I would just be objective. I would never do that thing of, because I would never.
Females
no, I would never do that.
The table the matter and dissected.
If there is something I like to do in my life, it is to be objective. It does not matter whether you're female, you're male, you're in between, or whatever thing I mean, it does not really matter. I like to be objective. I like that. Yeah. It is not that thing of pity because this is a woman.
This is a woman.
I mean,
that's what that
he who must come to equity must come with clean hands.
A statement is giving that vibe. I mean, that a woman will not speak up. It has taken us the clock backwards now. A woman spoke up. They wash her dirty.
At the end of the day,
having said that, I like the fact that we can see that it is not just one-sided. That is, even Johnny Depp himself.
Yeah.
Has some stuff.
Yeah. She won a part of the lawsuit where they defamed.
Do you understand? Yeah. So I really like it. And I would like Nigeria to take a cue from this. Not that you will not do proper investigation, you will not do thorough work.
What really helped this case was there was a lot of recordings. A lot of video and audio recordings.
Evidence.
Amber Heard was bringing her own. She did a lot of recording. Some people said, oh, you felt terrified when he was pushing everything. But they said, if you are terrified, you actually be hiding.
Yes.
Or you were setting camera like, see, Amo, he's breaking things in the house. So.
It was looking planned.
It was looking like, even one of our audio statements, she said, go and tell the world that you beat a woman.
Nobody
and that a woman is beating you. You see that nobody will believe you. So
imagine.
she killed herself. And yeah, she filed a lawsuit back that I defamed you, you defamed me.
And come to think of it, what sort of actress is Amber Heard at the end of the day?
Aquaman.
No, do not even give me that.
Because that's what we know her for.
Because I'm wondering, I'm just wondering, if you're acting in court and the thing is not just sinking.
At the end of the day, at the end of the day,
you're shooting yourself in the leg like all the time. I do not get it.
And the petition on change.org has all-time high petition signature to remove her from Aquaman. Over 4-point-something million.
I think they should remove her already. If you
she has 10 minutes, so leave her now.
They've cut all her shots.
It's not my business. If you say that I just cancel people, I don't care.
They cancel the female.
I just hope Johnny Depp gets his life back very soon. That's all we hope.
Sue Pirates of the Caribbean too. Sue everybody, they'll bring you back. Yeah, let's just...
You want to catch Captain Jack Sparrow. You know if you catch him.
They cancelled him now.
If you catch him.